Guess what, Coco? Guess what, Coco and Snowball? Guess what? Guess what? The Nebra outdoor miner is finally here with 2 antennas. What up, guys? Malong6 here, and in today's video I got my hands on a Nebra outdoor miner. Parity Labs, which is the distributor in the US, actually reached out to me and said, hey, we'd like to send you a miner. And then Nebra sent me one directly from the UK so that way I could get it a little bit quicker. And so yeah, they shipped it with DHL, but I do not think they're always going to use DHL, especially if you order from Parity Labs. If you are from overseas, they do ship, I believe, worldwide, and you can order from Parity Labs directly, or they have a UK distributor as well. Anyways, just go to their website and order directly from their website. That's what I say. Anyways, let's break into this thing now. Now, I did talk to Nebra, and they also mentioned, hey, we can send you 2 supercharged antennas as well. So there's one here. I believe this is the other one, and in another video we'll do an unboxing of those and how to set one up. But if you would like to know a little bit sooner about what to do, check out this video about what connector you actually need to get depending on which hotspot you have, especially if you have the Bobcat, because it has a different connector than most of the rest. Anyways, let's break into this thing. Coco, you ready? You ready? You want it? What is it? What is it, Coco? What is it? Come on! Oh, you don't want it? You don't do unboxings anymore? Is it because of your sticker? It's because of her sticker. Hey, Snowball, you want to help? My dogs are not helping me today. Oh well. Come on, Coco. What's in it? What's in it, Coco? Alright, guys. Break into this thing. Alright, first things first is, for some reason, I got some gummy bears. Yummy, yummy. You want a gummy bear? Alright. And then I ripped something. It's from Pie Supply. These are the people who helped make the raspberry pies. And I ripped it, but cool. And then I got a packing slip. And this looks like the actual miner. No, it's not. What is this? What is this? Open here to start mining. They gave me an indoor miner? I didn't even know that they were going to give me an indoor miner. They told me only the outdoor unit. That is insane, guys. Insane. So we can make this into 2 videos. So yeah. So let's go ahead and look at the outdoor miner here. Coco, you look like you don't want to unbox anymore. Do you not like unboxing anymore? Alright. So here's the outdoor miner. This is what this video is about. We'll do another one with the indoor miner here in a few weeks or something. I'll get it edited. So the outdoor miner will be first, and then here is the other antenna I mentioned to you guys about. We'll do that in another video as well. So now let's go ahead and start with the outdoor miner. Wait. It jingles! Alright, Coco, what do you think's in it? So here's the outdoor miner, and I can't open it. Oh, this piece of tape, it says Nebra on it. That's kind of cool. Alright, so here we go. What is it? It's white. Wow. Woohoo! Look at that! Look at that! So we'll put some specs on screen, but basically this is the outdoor unit metal, so that way you can go ahead and put it outside, be weatherproof. And this is a bigger unit than I thought. Ooh. Forget that. I got a Nebra sticker and a logo. Good, it has the right frequency of 915 in the US. That's what we use. That concerned me because they shipped it from the UK, but it looks like we're all good. So let me go figure out the power over Ethernet and get it all set up. So sadly I do not have the Bobcat miner with me to compare size to, but as you can see here, I got the outdoor miner from Nebra, the indoor miner from Nebra, and the rack hotspot miner from CalChip. And so yeah, I thought it was pretty cool that I was able to stack these, because I don't think a lot of people in the entire world have all 3 of these at the same time in their house. So cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. It takes a 3/16 Allen wrench. So you guys may remember this table from when I did a little review on the V-Link mousetrap, so that was really cool. It's a mousetrap that works on the Helium network and pings and let you know when your mouse is caught. So later in this video, we will definitely be checking out the software management for the Nebra. When you buy one of these, you get 6 months for free. Now I got the indoor and the outdoor, so I wonder if that will add up to a year or if it will just be 6 months because that's what it is. I'll contact support and get back with you guys on that. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what's inside of this thing. Okay, you got spring screws, washer, and a nut there. Cool. Let's go ahead and get the other two out. Oh, don't lose the washer and spring and stuff. Alright. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. Awesome. So there it is. So as you can see, it has Raspberry Pi information in here. I'm not a tech wizard, so I honestly don't know what I'm looking at here, but I know there's a Raspberry Pi in here and some storage and stuff like that. There's a USB thing here, some other USB thing, something's plugged in. I'm not going to touch it. Just to make it easier on me, so there's no mess up. So they already took the Ethernet cable and took it and ran it from here all the way down to here, where you can use power over Ethernet, or link in the description, you can also buy a power adapter if you would prefer that. Alright, so now that we opened it up, we're just going to close it and put it right back and go show you how to set it up and all that good fun stuff. See you in a second. Okay, so let's go over the quick little startup guide that Nebra provides, link in the description. So here's what everything contains and what its name is, and then make sure that you ground your antenna and stuff. If you want to know more about that, check out this video. And then there's some other warnings and stuff, but you can read over that if you want. Link for this will be in the description. And if you scroll down here, step 1, first carefully screw in the included LoRa Rain antenna. The large circular antenna, it's usually gray, is the DBI antenna. That is for receiving pings from different Internet of Things like the Invoxia tracker I have and talking to other Helium hotspots. And then screw in the antenna to the port at the top of the hotspot. You may also have a smaller Wi-Fi white antenna that screws into the connector at the bottom of the hotspot. Step 2, next, find a suitable location for your hotspot to be positioned. To provide the best coverage, we recommend placing it on the rooftop or mast as high as possible. Now, if you need to know more information about DBI and stuff, go check out this video. Near the end of it, I start telling you guys a little bit more what DBI actually means and stuff, and what connectors you actually need to upgrade your Helium hotspot. But this is the Nebra outdoor miner. It already has everything ready for a upgraded antenna. In fact, you may see that later in this video I upgrade to a 5.8 dBi antenna instead of using the 3 dBi that comes with it. That's what I'm going to use for my personal preference in my geographical location. Step 3, you will need to consider how to power the Ethernet. By default, it is configured to power over Ethernet. But if you want, you can buy this, link in the description, and that will allow you to use an actual power supply rather than power over Ethernet. If you do choose to use that, then make sure you flip this switch as it shows in the picture here. But the way I chose to do it was power over Ethernet, and I already bought the correct configurations for an injector, so link in the description for that if you want the one that I use. It is an Amazon affiliate link. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. Step 4, use an Ethernet cable connected to your power over Ethernet switch or injector and connect it to the hotspot using an Ethernet cable with the supplied gland to ensure a watertight seal. Now, I'm not sure why it comes with more than one size of gland. It seems like only one of them fit, but I'll ask them and get back to you guys. And then there's more info on this, like make sure all the bolts are tied together and stuff like that. Make sure you got that gland on, so that way it is waterproof and such like that. So if you were curious about what they use a USB to a RPSMA here, and this is a jumper wire that converts it to the N type, so that way you can put in the outdoor antenna. Sweet. So it comes in stock with a 3 dBi antenna, but I think for this video I'm going to go ahead and put a 5.8 dBi antenna on it. I also have a 9, but I do not think I need to put it in the location that I want to put it in. So Coco and I were wondering what this was. I thought maybe it was to help with grounding or something, but no, it is actually the ceiling string. And if you scroll down to waterproofing, they actually explain to you what you do with it. So right here in step 4, installing the ceiling string on the top cover, it basically helps seal it for waterproofing. So if you'd like to upgrade your Wi-Fi antenna to a 4G rather than, I believe it comes with a 3G, you'd need to buy this. And if you'd like a video about me installing that and stuff and showing you how to do it, let me know in the comments below. As well as subscribe and hit that bell, because in a future video I do plan on showing you how to actually mount this and put it up and show you where I'm going to actually place it, and then I'll share with you guys the earnings that I get from it from my monthly video rewards. If you haven't seen that yet, definitely check those out. Once a month I share with you guys my little vlog of how much money I actually make with all my helium hotspots and different staking. I also have hopper staking and different Internet of Things videos out there. So I have not seen any YouTubers share on how to mount this outdoor Nebra hotspot. So I'm going to do my best to show you guys how. From my understanding, you're supposed to take these blue brackets that come in the box and put them here, as you can see. And then you could also use this other thing that comes in the box and you mount it on a pole that you can get from Amazon, and then you could mount it that way or use a combination of both. One piece of feedback that I do have from Nebra is to put a instruction booklet inside of the Nebra Hotspot Miner box instead of just a quick online tool, and then have the one in the box be in more detail specifically on what you're supposed to do for mounting the actual system, because right now it's all intuitive and you have to figure it out on your own, and you may have less experienced people like me trying to put these on our houses. Alright guys, and if you are unaware, when you buy a Nebra hotspot from the official website, you get 6 months free for their remote manager platform here, and what that will look like I will show in an upcoming video. So definitely hit that bell, subscribe, and stay tuned for that. Okay, so right now this is where I'm putting the Nebra hotspot. Make sure that the antenna is plumb, it is level, right next to my Avado. And yeah, so this is where it's going to be temporarily. And you can see I screwed it in right here with just drywall screws, only 2. I should probably put all 4 in, but this is just temporary until I actually get the real spot ready, the real location, and we'll make a video about that. And then whenever that spot is available, we'll definitely put the gland in so that way it's not just exposed like it is now. Okay, so now we're going to actually sync our Nebra Outdoor Miner to our wallet. So what you need to do is open up the app here, sign in, and then in the very top right, you need to click Add a Hotspot, and then scroll down to the Nebra Outdoor Hotspot. And then go ahead and read through this. I already have. It tells you positions and stuff, where to put the antenna of your hotspot. I've already read this, and then you can read the diagnostics and click I understand when you understand them. Now you need to power it on. Remember, the Nebra Outdoor Miner has a power over Ethernet, so you need to get that sorted out. And then once it's on, you will have 10 minutes for Bluetooth to be on for the Nebra Outdoor Miner, and then it will automatically turn off the Bluetooth. So let's go ahead. You can read this if you want. Let's scan for my hotspot. Alright, so I found it, and now we're just going to click it, and there we go. Now I can connect to my Wi-Fi. Quick note, make sure that with your power over Ethernet switch or injector that you plug in the Ethernet cords in the correct cables. I had them backwards, and so it wasn't powering on my unit. So now that I got it all set up, now we can connect it to the Wi-Fi. So I put in my internet password here, and now we're connecting to the internet. And so yeah, let's go ahead and ask for permissions and set the location of the hotspot. So you need to find the correct spot where the hotspot actually is, but you could use this map to determine where you want to actually place it. So for me, I'm just going to put it almost in the same spot as the other one. So let's go ahead and set location. So since I got this directly from Nebra, I get a free assertion of where the hotspot goes and free registration. So that's really nice. And I can also change the location once or twice for free as well if I move my hotspot around. So that's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and click next, click register hotspot. And now it is registering on the Helium network, or the people's network as they like to call it, because they want the hotspots to be in the people's homes and ran by not big corporation, but by the people. All right, so it's registering my hotspot. Let's go ahead and look at it. So we go to my wallet. You can click the two little arrows. So it says that I'm registering my hotspot, and it also says that I updated the location of the hotspot. So that's kind of cool, and you can see that I already got the name of my hotspot here, but it's blurred for you to not leak my location. And so yeah, let's go ahead and wait for that to be done. And if you would like to learn how to change your antenna and the height and meters, you can't do it right now. You can only set up the default, but check out this video and that'll walk you through how to actually change it and make it more custom. Alright, so it looks like it's been registered and has updated its location, so that's awesome. And it looks like everything's ready to go. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Leave comments down below if you have comments, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know in the comments below what other miners and questions you may have about Helium and the People's Network, and definitely watch these monthly miner videos where I let you guys know how much money I actually make with all these hotspots. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Good girl, Coco. This B-roll's bad. Oh gosh, I dropped it.